Hello, and welcome to the course. If you're watching this, it means someone sees potential in you. Not just to do your job, but to be great at it. You're about to start a short course that's not just about customer service. It's about how people see you, how your team works together, and how successful your job or business becomes because of it. In short, customer service affects everything. Why should you care about customer service? Because customer service is more than being nice. It's how we talk, how we handle problems, how we work as a team, and how we make people feel, even during stressful moments. And here's the truth. You can be amazing at your job, but if you treat people badly, they won't come back. And if you're just decent at your job, but you treat people like gold, they will. That's how much it matters. Let's look at the numbers. Don't just take our word for it. 96% of customers say customer service is a key reason they stay loyal to a company. 1 in 3 customers say they'll leave a business after just one bad experience. And get this, people are twice as likely to share a bad experience as a good one. So customer service isn't a nice bonus. It's the foundation of whether a business survives or disappears. What the best companies do. Companies like Ritz-Carlton, Chick-fil-A, Zappos, and Apple all have one thing in common. They train every employee, no matter the position, to serve with excellence. They know that if the customer isn't happy, nothing else matters. These companies are known for more than what they sell. They're known for how they treat people. And that's exactly what we're going to teach you here. How this training helps you. This course isn't just about what the company wants. It's about making your job easier, your life smoother, and your reputation stronger. Here's what you'll gain. Skills to handle tough situations without stress. Confidence in how you communicate. A better work environment, because service starts inside the team. A real edge in your career, because great service stands out anywhere. Whether you're a tech, a service advisor, front desk, or a manager, this course was made with you in mind. What to expect in the course. We've broken the training into short, easy-to-watch videos, most just 3 to 5 minutes long. You can watch them on your own, in a team meeting, or even to fix something that went wrong. Each one has real-world tips, stories, and tools you can use right away. No fluff, just what works. Final thought. Customer service isn't just a department. It's every person, every post, every day. So here's the question. What would happen if everyone in this shop gave 5% more effort, just in how they treat people? The answer? The whole business would grow. Your workday would feel better. Customers would remember your name. And most importantly, you'd be proud of how you show up. Let's get into it.